Keyboard shortcut to jump between tabs on OS X terminal. In OS X terminal.app, if you open new windows, you can easily switch between them with CMD1, CMD2, CMD3, etc. You can also cycle between tabs, using CMD Shift and CMD Shift, or CMD Shift Left and CMD Shift Right. But is there a way to jump straight to a particular tab, like you can with Windows? For example, CMD Shift 3 to jump to the third tab? That's not it, of course. I'm pretty sure it's impossible out of the box, but what if I'm willing to write some Apple script to make this work?
Ditch terminal and use a term. It lets you do this and is, to me anyway, a bit more useful.
The key combination is Shift-CMD left or right.
It can be done from system preferences is greater than keyboard is greater than shortcuts is greater than app shortcuts is greater than click plus is greater than select, terminal.app, and add the option title as it appears in the terminal menu, which can be select next tab, on Mavericks and earlier, show next tab, on Yosemite, El Capitan, Sierra. Note, as you probably realize, you can do this with absolutely any Coco OS app that has a menu with options, even if originally the app defined no shortcut for the option. This kind of shortcuts are not equivalent to using native app shortcuts. What OS is in fact doing is triggering the provided menu option via the label. You'll notice that while you press the keys, the corresponding menu item will flash in the menu bar. After years of resisting the idea of using a third-party terminal, I finally switched to a Term 2 primarily because of properly working Windows Split, which in the terminal.app is not very useful. Also, the shortcuts are fully configurable, making it possible to achieve anything you want, including switching to a specific tab with plus tab number, to jump to the nth tab.
In macOS High Sierra 10.13, you can switch to a specific tab using the shortcut keys 1-9. To enable/disable these shortcut keys, go to Settings is greater than General and toggle Use 1 through 9 to switch tabs.